One of the hardest recommendation I have made during an Amazon account audit was to pause the campaign with the best ROAS. Not failing campaign, not a campaign wasting money, the best performing campaign in the account. The seller looked at the dashboard and asked, why would we stop something that is working? It was a fair question, but the audit was not only about PPC. The campaign was generating order faster than the business could support them. The ASIN had limited inventory, replenishment was delayed, organic sales were also increasing. If we continued running the ads at the same level, the product could go out of stock before the next shipment arrived. And on Amazon, a stock out can cost more than a few days of sales. It can damage momentum, weaken ranking, and give competitors an opportunity to take your position. So we did not blindly shut down the account. So we reduced bids on broad and generic campaign, protected high intent branded traffic, shifted budget to products with healthy inventory, and monitored sales velocity and days of cover. So the campaign was profitable, but it was not sustainable at that moment. Then we found another issue. Customer feedback was pointing to a product quality problem. More paid traffic would create more orders, but it could also create more returns, refunds, and negative reviews. So pausing the ads became the reasonable decision until the product issue was fixed. So this is something many sellers miss. A campaign can be profitable and still need to be paused. You may need to pull back because inventory cannot support demand, replenishment is delayed, and the product has quality issue. Returns are increasing, the listing or offer needs improvements, and the business strategy has changed. So the budget has stronger use elsewhere. Good PPC management is not about forcing every campaign to spend every day. It is about understanding when more sales will grow the business and when more sales will expose its weakness. Sometimes the campaign that looks like your biggest growth opportunity is actually your biggest operational risk. The best Amazon PPC decisions do not always create more orders today. Sometimes they protect the brand from tomorrow's problem. So, would you pause a profitable campaign if keeping it live could put on products next 90 days at risk? At Spectrum BPO, we audit PPC alongside inventory, listing health, profitability, and business goals. So that helps brand understand which campaigns to scale, which to optimize, and which to pause before they create a bigger problem. So if you are unsure whether your Amazon campaigns are driving sustainable growth or creating hidden risk, send me a message. Let's review the account before profitable campaign turns into an expensive mistake.